Hi guys, it's Simran here, and cut crease is the biggest and the most special topic when it comes to eye makeup. It is the most important topic as well. Today I will be showing you three different types of cut crease. From where do you need to start your cut crease, how do you need to take your cut crease, and how to fill it in. So it's really important that you get your cut crease line proper according to your eye shape. Now my eye shape, I have a badam shaped eyes, so I need to cut my eyes accordingly to make it look beautiful and not ugly. So there are three different types of cut crease. The first one is a full cut crease, which starts from the inner corner to your outer corner. It goes completely out. The second cut crease is the half cut crease, which starts from your inner corner to the middle of your eye. And the third cut crease is the center, the mid cut crease, which means the cut crease will only be on the center part and not on the sides. So let's get started. So out of the three cut creases, the first cut crease that we will be doing is the mid cut crease. I will be using the Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer in the shade FS26. I will be using a flat brush. Take my eyes a little upwards. I can see the dip of the eye. That is my crease line. Whenever you do makeup to yourself, first check where your crease line is and accordingly start applying your crease. So for the middle cut crease, I will be first applying in the center of my eye. And to get a proper measurement of the cut crease, I will be looking down, so that the concealer that I've applied has touched my crease line and is giving a line on the top. So I get measurement as to where I have to start and stop my cut crease. For the mid cut crease, you don't need to touch entirely to the end of your eyes or the beginning of your eyes, so that the cut crease which you're applying remains only in the center and highlights the center portion of your eye. After you have applied the concealer in the center portion, take your finger and dab it very softly in the edges so that there are no harsh lines. So after I have done with cutting my crease with the concealer, I'll be starting with the eyeshadow. I will be using the Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. And I will be using these shades, the dark blue and the same color but glittered. So let's begin. I'll be taking a blending brush, dipping it into the dark blue. First, start with your outer edge so that even if you have any extra product, it does not spoil your inner edges. Pull it inwards. And on the edge, circular motions and drag out. The same thing we'll do on the inner corner. First, dab a little product in the inner corner and then pull it inwards. Now we'll take a flat brush, we'll take the same color, dab the extra product and apply it in the inner corner. Now for the center of the eye, the glitter shade that we had chosen, we will go for the glitters. First, take the flat brush, dip it in your glitter. First, apply on the top corner of your crease. And then fill in the center. so that your eyes look much brighter and your cut crease looks beautiful. Dip your finger in your glitter shade and dab it in the center of your eye where you had first applied it with the flat brush. After you've got the pigments properly set, take a lighter shade and then dab it in the center. Now to complete the look, we will apply glitter on the center of our eye. I'll be using the Pinky glitter palette. Just take a look at these shades. These are so beautiful and so pigmented. I'll be taking a flat brush. I'll be taking this blue color. Since our eyeshadow is completely blue, we will be using blue glitter. And we will be applying only on the center of our eye. Now as I have done the glitter, it gives the proper center cut crease look effect, and I will be completing my second eye and I'll be back. So this is how you do the center cut crease, and it finishes up with glitter or without glitter. It is all your choice. I have completed this with the blue glitter because of the blue eyeshadow look that I have done. So this was the mid-cut crease look, which highlights the center portion of your eye. There are two more different types of cut creases which I will be showing in another few of my videos. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to our channel, and you can follow us on Instagram, which is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials, and you can follow me on Instagram, which is Makeover by Simran, and you can buy all these beautiful products from masmerize.in. Thank you so much.